What is up, guys? Back with another video here. Got a haircut. The truck build is coming along. So we are back, guys. Another video here. We've made another addition to the Tacoma. And you guys know what it is by the thumbnail, but let's check it out. Let's do the big reveal. So yeah, the question, what canopy topper did I choose for my truck? Let's take a look. Dun, dun, dun. Boom. Went with the soft topper, guys. I'll tell you why. So, had a third gen, kind of wanted a soft topper, ended up getting a hard shell aluminum one, the Overland Vehicle Systems one, and it was good. It was okay. But I think there's just something to the simplicity of this and the weight. I mean, it basically weighs nothing. And there are some drawbacks, which we'll take a look at. But just looks wise, I think it looks pretty good. Fits the truck perfectly. The contour roof line is right there. And I just feel like it gives it that classic Toyota look, those old Hiluxes and shit like that. But yeah, guys, I'm super stoked how this truck's looking. Stepped up my camping game, so I do plan to sleep in this thing. That's really what I'm excited about. So let's check out the inside. So you got these Velcro straps and then the zipper. But yeah, so this is it. This is inside. You can see it attaches with this this rail here. You clamp it into the rail there on the truck on both sides. And I'm gonna do a full review on this thing, but let's just say the system's a bit finicky, and I just wish it was designed better. But yeah, overall, good product. And what's really cool, I actually ordered the standard fabric version, and they actually sent me the premium one. There's a premium twill version. They actually sent me that on accident. As you can see, this window is tinted in the back, and yeah, they messed up, so thanks, soft topper. But yeah, guys, if you aren't familiar, it comes on this rail, it snaps in, and yeah, seals up right here as well. And then there's also a flap that kind of goes in between the cab and the bed there. But yeah, let's see what the space is like in here. So yeah, this is what it's like being inside of it. But yeah, guys, so I'm like 5'8" or something like that, so I can actually fit fully laying down with the tailgate closed. So yeah, I'm good to sleep in here. And the good thing is you got your zipper on the inside here, so you can get in and out, and then it's just Velcro on that. So it's a great system for me to sleep in here, and it's retractable, but I don't ever think I'm gonna retract it unless I need to put something in the bed. But yeah, overall I think just the design of this is a bit flawed, and it should be more custom to the Tacoma dimensions, because as you can see, that, you know, the rail looks kind of like bowing out a bit, and I don't know, it just seems like it could be a little bit more streamlined. But yeah, so definitely gonna be doing camping, sleeping in this truck. Camping game stepped up, and yeah, I think it's gonna be great for the desert out here. And then I just put some Velcro that they included, and that kind of like seals the thing there. And yeah, I really like the fit, guys. I think it looks great on the truck. and really excited for what this thing's gonna look like. 2 more days till we lift this thing. While we're talking about that, let me show you what I got. So guys, after months of trying to decide, ended up going with this eibach Stage 2R kit with the coilovers, the 1-inch rear lift spring, rear shocks. So yeah, got the eibach kit, super stoked. And got some JBA upper control arms in the red. So it's gonna match kind of that, and I think it's just gonna look really nice with the gray springs. But yeah, guys, got the rear springs in here. We're taking this to the shop tomorrow to get installed by Underdog Motorsports. So yeah, we're gonna take you along, and I'm so stoked to get this stuff on the truck. Look at these. I'm super excited to show you guys and to see how it rides. So yeah, guys, the soft topper is sweet. You can actually see it back there at the window. But yeah, stoked on that. I've been wanting to put a canopy on this. I bought the suspension stuff. I'm the type of guy, when I start spending on shit, then I'll just spend even more and then just not buy shit for a long time. So I bought the suspension, I bought the, everything with that, the control arms, the extra parts. I'm gonna be paying a chunk for labor, a good amount for labor. And then I just figured I'd buy the soft topper while I'm at it. Get this thing riding better. Got my little truck camping setup in the back. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I just wanted to show the soft topper. I haven't made a video in like almost a month now. But lift going on soon, and I'm gonna show you those parts. But lift going on, truck camping, and yeah, I want to do some more. I want to go do some more off-road trails in Arizona. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you can see these coilovers get on the Tacoma, and we're gonna be doing a lot of testing, seeing if it's really worth it. And yeah, guys, I'm stoked. We'll see you in the next few days.